Hi, I'm Kay, and I'm working with Audrey and Emily Tao on batch reverse osmosis water desalination. Currently, there's already plants that turn seawater into pure drinking water, but with batch reverse osmosis, we are trying to figure out how to make it more energy efficient, reduce membrane fouling, and have a higher water recovery.
This is the original system, and it works really well, but we're just working on automating it with Raspberry Pi so it's able to run on its own, and we can collect data from our sensors and compile it all into one document.
Hey Audrey, do you want to explain how the system works?
Okay, so there's water in the batch tank right now, and that water flows into the pump, which pumps it into the rest of the system. So from the pump, it goes into the membrane, and it's forced through the membrane using pressure. We have gas right here, and then it either goes through the membrane and becomes permeate and goes there, or it continues flowing through the system and gets recirculated, so it will go from the membrane back into the batch tank. And when the batch tank is empty, all the water that's in the system is flushed out through this valve, and it will go into the brine right there. And then the batch tank is refilled using the feed bucket.
Hey Kay, can you explain the electronics and code?
Okay, so over here, there's like a visual flow meter which measures the flow rate. There's an inline conductivity meter that measures the conductivity. And you can see that the readout goes to this meter and eventually goes to the Raspberry Pi. These valves are solenoid valves which open and close with 12 volts. There's also one there for the feed bucket. Within the batch tank, there's like a little ultrasonic sensor on the top that measures water level. It measures if the tank is empty or full, and it runs different pieces of code is or not. Over here, there's some electronical hodgepodge of stuff with our Raspberry Pi. And this connects to the computer, where it prints out data and sensor data and stuff, and writes to a CSV file.